Prerequisite number one, your objective and the purpose of writing up the case. What exactly the theme this case is actually covering? Is this case is about the change management, or this is about OD, organizational development, or is it about channel management, or is it about the turnaround in the HR, employee motivation, or is it about leading the world in the absence of CEO, all right, or perhaps the company. When I say world, for those who are working, the corporate is their world, perhaps. Yeah. Okay. Jokes apart. It's very important that you know and you have a clarity about what exactly the theme and what exactly the objective of the case is. You're writing it about turnaround, you're writing about the change, you're writing about the hiring, you're writing about introduction of a new financial model, you're writing about automation of a process. What exactly your case is covering up and why? What and why? That makes the most important prerequisite of writing down the case. That's number one.